Hello, my dear boys. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the auxiliary verbs in English. Okay, you know there are eight parts of speech in English, and verbs are one among them. And there are also other classification of verbs, which is those 24 auxiliary verbs. They are called as auxiliary verbs because they help the main verb and they add meaning to the main verb. All right. So there are three sections that we find in the auxiliary verbs. So I will give them in detail, and you can also find them on the screen. So please listen properly to the audio and also watch the video, and also look in the screen and check those things that are written on the screen. All right. Yeah. So the first section is do, does, did, is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall. And these are used along with tenses. Okay, you got the first section. This is the first section. We have do, does, did, is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, will, and shall. Okay, there are 13. These are 13 in number. These 13 auxiliary verbs are used along with the tenses. All right, I hope you understood. And we go to the next section. That is the second one. We have would, should, can, could, might, must, ought to in this section. All right. And we then go to the third section. That is need, dare, and used to. All right, now we are going to a further explanation of the auxiliary verbs. Would, should, could, might. These four auxiliary verbs are the past tense forms of will, shall, can, and may, respectively. Okay, please check that on the screen. I have given the title as past tense just above the past tense forms of will, shall, can, and may. Okay, you can find that on the screen. So the past tense of will is would, and the past tense of shall is should, and the past tense of can is could, and the past tense of may is might. All right. Now, these auxiliary verbs, as I told you towards the beginning of this presentation, auxiliary verbs add meaning to the main verb. So, there is an example given here where we have used the auxiliary verb I may go. So, the center word may is an auxiliary verb. I may go. Okay. ഞാൻ പോകുമായിരിക്കും. I may go. So, in order to make this I may go, this statement, into a question, you just need to change the order of the words. In the first statement, it was written like this I may go. So, I, and the next word is may, and the third word is go. And in order to make it into an interrogative sentence, you just need to shift the order of the words. So, what should you do? You should bring the second word in the statement towards the beginning. So you have to shift the auxiliary verb. In this case, it is may towards the beginning of the sentence. So may I go? Thus, we have an interrogative sentence. May I go? ഞാൻ പോയിക്കോട്ടെ. So that is a request and that is a question. All right. Now, how to make that word or the sentence "I may go" into a negative sentence? In order to do that, as you know, to make sentences negative, you just need to add not or no, all those things. Okay, right. In this case, we will add not in between the main verb and the auxiliary verb. So you just need to insert a not in between, where you have to insert that in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. All right. So I may not go. So you have the sentence I may not go. All right. This is it for today about the auxiliary verbs. We will see the in the next video. I wish you all a nice time. Thank you for your time watching this video. It may